Hey everyone! Get ready to make the most effortlessly elegant dessert, the Basque burnt cheesecake. It looks fancy, but trust me, it's incredibly simple and absolutely delicious. Perfect for impressing guests or just treating yourself. You'll need cream cheese, sugar, eggs, heavy cream, and a touch of flour. That's it. No fancy crusts or water baths required. Just a few basic items for a truly spectacular result. Start by beating your softened cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Then, gradually whisk in the eggs one at a time, followed by the heavy cream. Finally, gently fold in the flour until just combined. Don't overmix. A few lumps are totally fine. Pour your batter into a parchment-lined springform pan. Now for the magic. Bake it at a high temperature until the top is deeply caramelized and almost black. This burnt exterior is where all the incredible flavor comes from. It creates a beautiful contrast with the creamy, custardy interior. Don't be afraid of that dark crust. It's the signature of this cheesecake. Once baked, let it cool completely at room temperature, then chill it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. This helps it set beautifully. Slice into that creamy, custardy center and prepare for pure dessert heaven. This Basque burnt cheesecake is a game changer. It's rustic, rich, and surprisingly light. Give it a try this weekend and discover why it's become a global sensation. Happy baking!